High Court. We are not in the area.
And the another kai in ye. Your mama saw some on the Sukawa home.
But that I say no for. And my Omon Jane said, Sakande dear, any Judicial dear, back home. Sakande call prison because Odintro or the passports this year. Judicial, one for passports this year. Answer near Betwaba Amano, Ewa Sin Nova. Na Canada for Adea to Musa 1 year my baby. Ain't you know Bonibe and why?
Sompa FM.
Anna, Omanhene so they are 7 or Kai. Yenti.
Yamubi, no friend, some men was bring over. Cause I come collect, come correct. Come and the Attorney General of Ghana. When Emram and the Planning say, Adea Akye na Oshe Ghana for a Nigerian or to be a Utaso. Now, as enough, there's a lecture. That will name so young people. Back of the Patrona. I know one majority go here. 57.5. As a matter of urgency, I'm appealing to the President of the Attorney General, President of the Republic. He has a role to play. That trial should be aborted. The Attorney General should, as a matter of urgency, call a knowledge prosper. And that particular say, make a way because that was one. Ye did Ghana for a 10, ye did a send off for a 10. Already, somebody engineer, me, 77. Pascopia and the back Ghana set down for no, the other power proceedings. That's how they need a quarter. About 20 MP, and Korea, Amaya Shambra Papa, and Master B, Ghana for a young human, and Mampuntu Aqua. How much not label? It's on this day. My main country says, Sam Ray, you're president. You know, I love you. This matter cannot go on. Attorney General, what I mean, I hear this year, one of this year, shall woman who try to say, leave the home.
Hello, my name is Omanhene Yaw, your man in the morning. Tune in to 93.1 FM.
All right. Yen told me the so free hand no more na mene Dennis Kwakwa asante mantem ha eba MPP wona woboa ekasa edema womo ba no dani no MPP Director of Communication Ashanti Region. Kwakwa, good morning.
Man, good morning. If I pass on here there.
Who ya pa na unso e? Okay. Yanyanente say a free mo headquarters mo pani ho aba ene mpanimfo se mo nhwe ye wo mo kasa mu na man kasa ema mo kasa nkotwi Omanhene ensem na o kan no mo mpanimfo ebe fa kwan ya mo be fa so adi sa asem no no kura wo mo say na de enti na mo de we ato manim
yo man me da san parliamentary or chief for no afofo Omanhene ye o hempon ba ko o ma we ba obia nim se o obia o ta kire na adwene wa mammo nsam na de o de aba ne se eye iwraja chipesi Ghana mrade ni gina court no sebetumi a and then ya iwomu ya ban ensuma Attorney General President ensuma Attorney General na ne criminal case ewo court no ebe ya yimpem na asechire wo nyina na se ohwa ana se ohwa abato esa akoto no na no asen no for na asen for no kire so mo penasem and we Ghana for nyina penasem entoman sana na ordinary bench le ba ya na e se employment for so we dey say here because I mean and what then to ha so you communicate one akwatira wa adwene no ya no amakopa it necessary my party communicators who said that's not the party said yeah what side I disagree with him akonya what so no ene o man o down no ye ade asase nyina ye sam ye ko ho said be ya kasa nkotia no then when now communication it we can state it emphatically say we disagree with him said it be ano be ya from my judge enti o akwana Ghana bra ni asem no Idea simply in as a judge in Hosaya, I mean, yes, was a president, our mother cottage in Nakotwas. About to us and all kind of a sing off of what to Obama, that you quiz in the church of Manapanasa. So, Sani, a Canadian, so as a judge is a transcend no mudia, a dear by quite our modia dance, the edible attain. Our cases be honest, almost had the SC pain. And to tell that class, some may see what America and I say you can. So, Negana has been this idea to say, Omanhene Yaw. But look at Rank and for us, I say, maybe buy and sell no more. For the iron, so dear, actually, not Timu. And Majidis says, I can't say people be asking because of Trabama, dear. Any other Musa candidate, so Boko Central for Trabamano. Now Boko Central for Panasa. And to service, Massam Mana or Mupanen Chessa Ghana Marano. The big edit said the Nipado and Nasi Dipano, we a criminal matter, and Cabra Casavono. A woman has what because we require any to be any good money, Bagana Marade. Criminal matters, and it will be a good deal. Capeja, you trust all money in Ano, and we'll try and 20 about the Bianca, or can I say, America for money in our national security data, and almost family crank a bit media. And some to assess any sentiments, any emotions near the judge. Then we can't win in himself money a court to the party communicators and you must say a better said the Asanabaco. And when Tinez is a threatening, I may say, so corner some one and another crana. Many the to make sure say you state your disagreement, but make sure someone won't tear and 2 tear not as a no crap to go.
Piao, Dennis Kwakwa, Medawa say. Oini, asem no I have big debate pal. Dear what yet in a wagina sasana.
You Debbie say anamon MPP for 2 nije. Jina no ye.
Seb omon penny omo kasa mafo no.
Yes say Omanhene sabi onye wo hen ketoa. Oyo hen kese pa. Enti sebe yese aboa no na no wankowe soja ahai na obi fumu kunso ayemfumu nwidwa. Na said ye Ghana politics tie no. So one hwe ye. Na ma politics ni didu tirimu a.
Oyini, mamene lawyer Akye Abia, former attorney general, Twetwenkomo, former president Ghana Bar, Greater Accra Benny. Lawyer me wa channel pay.
Oh, I don't know whether they haven't told you, but I don't speak Twi, I speak English.
No problem. Lawyer Akye Abia. I hope you're good.
I am, I'm doing good.
It's been a while.
True.
All right. I've seen, and it's been reported that you've added your voice to a call on the Attorney General to issue a nollie prosequi. Why so?
Well, I'm looking at the political effects of what our political fortunes would be in a sin north if we proceed with what is happening. You see, the background, as you know, is that we went to, some people went to the Supreme Court
Sompa
and got its election declared null and void, and it was removed from it, as a result of which the seat was declared vacant. Then we went for a by-election. It was then being tried criminally for perjury. But he won the election with 17,000 votes, with our MPP candidate getting around 12,000. Now, assuming that we go to this trial and then he is convicted, we are going to declare another by-election.
That's right.
And then we're going to contest. Now, much as we would want to add the seat to our seat, do you think that in these circumstances, the people of Atsin North will be sympathetic to vote for our party? It's not likely. Even if we get him out and we go there in the hope that we'll win the seat, I don't see it that way. Because even at the time it was being tried and we're saying that they should not vote for somebody going to prison, they defied and voted for the person. So what are we gaining? In my view, for the long-term effect of getting the party have a goodwill to cultivate the people there so that we can benefit from a vote next time round. I think that Nola Prosky, when entered by the Attorney General, will go a long way. That is all. That is where I stand. I'm looking at the political aspect and not the legal aspect per se.
What if somebody also is coming from the legal perspective that we should allow the system or the process to go through to set a precedent? Because there's been a precedent with Adamu Sakande, which people are even saying that Adamu Sakande's issue is different from that of Judge Kwesi. Is there a difference between Adamu Sakande's case and that of Judge Kwesi?
I don't think so. It's the same issue of holding one's allegiance to another country. You are a dual citizen, and therefore you hold allegiance to another country. And if, as at the time you were filling the forms, you did not declare that you were, then you have perjured yourself, for which you can be tried. I mean, as I said, I don't have anything against the legal aspects. I'm only talking about the political aspects. That as politicians, we should be careful how to deal with electorates so that we don't alienate them. And maybe like what happened with our gentleman who is now the second deputy speaker in Parliament. We fought against him and said, if he stood as an independent, that's all. Nobody should vote for him. At the end of the day, the people chose the independent candidate over the party candidate. You are in a certain region. You know what I'm talking about.
That's right.
Now we come to Parliament and it was dead, 137, plus one independent. You now have to go and do some horse trading. A man who only wanted to become a member of Parliament now becomes a second deputy speaker because either you give him that position or you vote with a minority and then you will become a minority. And you want to become majority. So you have to trade with him and give him a position. You understand what I'm saying?
I get you.
So although he went against the party, because the party said running independent means you no longer want to join our party. Yet he won. So we went and spoke to him. So we can always do politics as against legalities. And again, see the beauty about entry and Nola Prosky is that you don't have to give any reason why you are taking that step. You don't have to give any reason why you are taking the step of entering a Nola Prosky. Nobody knows why. You can later explain that, look, well, I couldn't find my witnesses and all that, so I've decided not to do it. But you are not obliged to give any reason.
All right. Osajifo, Adea Akye Abia of Doma has added his voice calling on the Attorney General and appealing to the President to, as a matter of urgency, call off this trial. In his statement, he said if he had been at the bench, especially the Supreme Court, that decision that they took, he would have dissented. What's your opinion on that comment?
Well, those are wrong things to do as a judicial officer. It's working with the judiciary. And usually what we say is that the Ghana Bar Association is the voice of the judiciary. So the judiciary normally would not speak, even if you attack them. What they can do is to bring you before the court for contempt. But they would usually not speak. So for a high court judge to do what he's doing, I don't think it's right. You don't call on the president. The president is not the attorney general. It's the attorney general who is doing the prescription. So talk to the attorney general rather. And then if he wants to do his background things, he can go and do it. But to call on the president is to create the impression that it is the president who is doing the prescription. You understand what I mean?
I get you.
We all know that the president is the chief executive officer and all the ministers are assisting him to execute his mandate. But people have been given authority to do their own thing. So in this case, I think that he should be calling on the attorney general, if anything at all. But he shouldn't have spoken in the first place. But he was the first person to have said it. Me, I have entertained that feeling long ago before it came out. And it's just that the press decided to call on me. I mean, I spoke on City FM yesterday, and that is what is leading to all these other calls, But privately, that's what I felt, that to me, just leave this gentleman alone and let's get there. I see not people cultivate them for the next elections. That is my personal opinion. As for a judge, even if you have an opinion, you don't come out to say it publicly. If he's not careful, he can be, brought before the disciplinary committee or judicial committee for what he has done. And that one, I condemn it. Yes.
What do you make of the president's statement that Judge Kwasin is a person? Why would you vote for somebody who go to prison? At the end of the day, that comment has also come with a lot of backlash. What do you make of it?
Oh, I already made that point to you that notwithstanding that he did say those things, the people went out of their way and voted massively for him, isn't it?
Yes, they did.
The man was going to prison, and exactly, we don't care. Who voted for him? He's the person we want.
But was it necessary for the president to have said that?
He's the person we want. So if they say that he is the person they want, there's not much we can do about it. You understand? So that is an unfortunate comment.
Lawyer, thanks so much for your time. That was Lawyer Akye too. And I didn't say anything. It's an unfortunate statement coming from Omanhene officer Omanhene so as a person working with the justice system, a high court judge. A comment of such nature shouldn't come out from him. But we'll see, notwithstanding, as some no kind of day, or no, how about that that I say on political grounds. So, Nase Oko, the Judge Kwesi Kotumwa. I see no for no, it's like seat no they are check NDC away. Because even at the statement from the president say Mamon Tuama mo be obeko prison crano or man a massive voter. Why then would you want to incur the wrath of the voters? No hope. Because now Ekobasa so na Ekowiase say ni asin no seat no what they are NDC. So he's looking at the political side more than the legal. Or he knows him right over there.
And so, oh my, I did because we're Ghana and Swazi and Shia. Oh my, wow. Say,
the Amanyo Semno,
Binya Betoa. Naya di Amanyo Semo Remuani, a Penti Adiano, Amagana Phobi, Abenya Sympathy, a many pana sabi, Susu would different say, as the Yashadan ye tan any moment as Adian Bessetti in the pet. We are the Nipan Befani Woody. And now where do you want more? And I want ye bonibia and the Ashadan ye and say no more than a kakra, near than a kakra, no more to me the Sardiano de Abeshe, Ghana footing. Naya jet, Yenya the Sardian Bemwa, Nipan say ye day ye deng, a whoop, a so jam. Now civil society group before, no more son and Amasia, as ye beckabi and Kavi, where who here, eh? Nancy Debia, say Emrano. Me dia me woman say some people are buying na ne kufuado are buying ene Ghana mra esusu say asam no emu ha na mfaso bi ani so a ene omunyai na to say pipi wo ho ye mfom so bi ye betumi agina so a me nka say a sin of city ese ejai obi asam mra no take ni fu course na eye adwuma never ye asem da hoto say emfa woni obi seat a obelusunti sie didi kwasi a aduru amaso a ye fani no pepepe na mu seat a obelusunti chesemra no ekotia wo man no a seat nti ye nya obi say basa MPP di seat a cha sign off entiri ai na semra no kutia ni pa no a ye ntutia no wo mo asefo no ntutia wo mo batemra na ye dwuma rule of law. No ade bia ye ka no ayena dwuma titi atuti MPP for kra ne mra ne se eseje Kwesi kodam a we ne pepepe sanso ensese wo kodam na kwan bi wo ho na bi omu so amanyosem ti ena ayi gofredame aha nania peso ade jachi Kwesi su to dem a eno de fa so bi ani so.
Okay, that is Omanhene Amadaziwa Amesa. Bola.
Atiatum.
Asante.
Yeah, on my
Editor, I'm into you.
And run on some kind say, asking of the aircon. Say a call a 70 years as a judge goes to them until MPP betting I could do alcohol.
I know now. Papa, now you go to.
And practically, dear, me say, what they are some no see a miser and Casamo Beco. Now, said and some amount for cake and some change and alcohol winning Abba. But me, the cocoa can was no bonabasso.
Okay.
And no way I did what happened, I'm Miss Mababas. And no, okay, say, since you started
Yes. I stopped him immediately.
So he started now, I know what she.
Stopping.
But to me, Janine,
oh, yes.
Objection as a nursing say, a party no put the statement about say, I say me, Mamma can be now because of can. When you want some a party be Wama. It's a it is one that I got Wama. Say, he can't say,
and the way I do maybe a penny be Cassa party for Ed to Tuna Basanes Reno.
One way, I'll back a can say, no, what can I know a copa saying ya one time baby.
Yes,
because I say no before prepare koi, Nguguaba, or Makomochi, and simply call party Behun Yamashi, a bad one because they have still more than 16 or 15 months to 2024 elections. Because like I say, economy no, any the general events amount 40 billion women. Any man koya, Sebes, a command post one, I sing for Subus and Yamanya, and Koye, and to me, I mean, say, I encourage a Bible to any shape, betting of one day, you go to Canada, Meno, when they are dream pass, say, Sambani Bear, next said they help you back practical now. Or no, I bet him or say, and yet by force of Fale, who bet you in Quintia. Who fallen only prosecution? Was it a bit? I will go here. Now, the 200 be the other.
Yes, some running cut baby better. Ah. Meno kwa santini ya koya ya gebesho no le protocol to ikom kasabe ya yiri uma hwa said ya mo abo ni say kedu kwa fan kwa two forever kame so baby adimi akwa akogina na esi obi achidi ya nam esi bi achidi ya school bag
eh acha
koshi
koshi okay I was for na me famusia na me to aso free ano me share ni say particle tia be join me sanso ena na enra bashi odoto bri abrante ya akwasi jamfi police for friend no na also court na amuko police station na Joseph amu akopie ho no ana party penny force you nya asembia onko trap application letter na application letter ni apology na on fama also on tro Joseph amu
Papa
say na asa wo je wo entre ha bi sa LPC sama wo ka fa ne hu ehu ebetima ba se lawyer me kra na aba pa na mo dia ba bi akobo ne trim na maka se o ba election se e ka so obewu enti asema wo kan na no odin party penny force tro apology letter wo se won tro na ebom se why boni dia omuma mra no emfa so te se de ohini ni kana no pe ya adentina se mi wutwi mutan ada e favor wo candidate ana
mini ameda ase na ma che wadifo lawyer miadi na ebe mu ho no mo no on de me say na ma clever mama me e kan say am above 18 years ana anything na me biari a me kan bia no me a me nim di mu na me de kan
okay
MP no ne ha on say lawyer be contest no na if 2016 I'm in 2004 be 2016 them cause about lawyer me 2020 no lawyer be any time for but on season one say election ye kona so be contest when ni pa kora nye o time for in the bibia mo fa na ni nkosi lawyer me so in the asama na say me nka asem boni bia nya say party for say me ntwen sa na me twi ni twan me nka asem boni bia I elect even radio presenters, any TV presenters, if you could let me tell me TV, say the by election because you were made it. Let him come to you, but if you go Mukruman come up. As a man, I'm a cocaine, man,
ana ye wo nku na yedi ma by election so in this enra no mo frame say mra police station e koye a akọchi na ha MP wo kuru mu a ma frame na ama mo si mi nko fie na kakra na say oba mba frame no di case ba na me no yes no di case ba case nso hia me pa because na bi e kakra na me sa ko e be 2 hours time no e koye a mo still mo frame MP ene police station o mani bre se ko ya mo be pa so a o mo treat him say criminal o mo de me ko share cells no the MP no na so mo frame na say o mo so no na di na asem a ene emi si won mu bi o me fa kwan na me lawyers for akasa the SD o mo fa so bi e do ma fa so enti na station officer e friend keke o frame me no ti ad ni nem ko no office say me buy me go ofu ene no so e kasa me ni fa na me say no ade o mo ye no me no mo nya adwene the MP no o no ma o mo friend no mra because ni fa no bebeli me no o waste ni time say ngoko e na djuma station officer say do bebeli me nya na anasem ni ehia o mo ne mo me no mo hia me
okay
the mean to me chira o mo de o mo nye ana mo say me nko nyambo amande be ye no week mo ba fra asem no commander ni me ba mi wo fia na me de amane be bo papa o bebeli me no a o ye party patron no me ho na mo suma radio presenter na no program ne say o ma fra me na ada radio staff ni bi ni pa mi ensan kan ho ne embra assembly ho no mo di mama zuzu kire papa say na DCC me nya de me nko na o say anya we me nguti o e party panyi me ko ya DCC e ba be kan asem no ana am zo ne mama Fred obebeli me because he beli me no e de 50,000 na after me three say e de mission in sana say bigania o mo we free no no
okay
DCC da bi da on free papa no na on ko free party secretary and I'm say what over party secretary let me buy no what but only me the details no you be really meaning to me na say my mom and monka no what for assembly form ben you go be kan na MP no nkwala mi no and the man penyin ba kon so a former chairman also MP ni side
Joseph ya minim sa asem no ya cha obetima akire mu akosi ede na ekowie say why emre nti
DCC memra me pa MPT o say the MPT ase fa say me si obewu no ana me say me ngasi obewu if memra me tro letter na mpa MPT o say the mekan man kan yi na me twesan ana me no that me ntimi nye in December o case ya na say police ni so investigation even kwa no police station officer na was so investigation no the kwa no was ate this office one no timu be kan se me ni bi say mention sign into let me be police say you mu na omo ye no mu ni wi na so ana fi de o san ba ka tell me mention sign say nka o den ka find case ma o endi me say en na na mention sign asem na me kan no man ka say mbibewu on na ti ase sa nya me ti ase no
enti free DC hello Joseph free DC office na one throw letter bia
e pa jo me yesa enti DC pa o mo fa me nko court
ma me fa unsi ha your friend Bashi say Bashi o say Bashi Joseph Amoa o say nyame senka betimi a ka urade nyo omadom na by election mra odo tobiri na MPC sa asem na aka na obesu owu ena o so ono nti ase no e wokwan bebiri so a MP yetimi koto aba na ba ko ne say MP no abetima akasa mi nyina bio tie bia na nyame ne na akasa na ono aresign ana bibi ato no ma oye ne bi ato no ma bi atwere ne nkwa ana bi ayale bi abɔ no ana party na akora abetima yi na free saa ne ma we nyina no o se adentina MP kwa akogina owuo de enko aso nti o mo fa ne nkɔ court so ayem from so a o mo so nkɔ pa achew Asante briefly na me nko ya Bolivia
for my way internal PP politics so mutwa so I say even region crowd be ko ha o nko because me senka MP no an maya ncha brand nka asem no crowd nko around the whole country and around the whole ka hunya asem wo no kokwa chie nti na ma asem no agentra Ghana nyina no nti no MP ni ka hu bi advantage no so ho kwan was mebru 18 years asem na me ka minimum
nti nye opponent no na one ne call contest no na ehye na chi
nti no asemi so say no kwese police officer T DC officer kasa brand e pachewa ta chopper na mpini pa no koma e kwacha brand na Sompa chopper. Say you got some here coaching man and a chopper. You know, as I'm not party in between a raging phone come name chat. Now we back and forth from them five.
SOS I benefit to be so.
Send the assembly sipe will be share and I say will be a benefit in the common will be because MP no send can say we are popular. Pound personas wa and Casino Casenka or Grand Council. And I by election ye sebi and you won't. Bem and Yama and a trampo 9 by election bar. It is our case as much as so good in Pragusu. No money how. Now Kwaku team crowd, Mammy no tea by many dinner. Oh, Boasino. Kuku party. One was simple Kuku party. I didn't. One pie said, Kai, one more Pino, Kuku Gratino. One or can you pay? One now, Emperor. One fee no cry. And you go on some question and I'll pass him up. But I'm telling you, it's in a bush and phone case or police station. Says a woman, said Omuni and the BB canoa. Yeah, but it also goes to tell you a certain failure on the part of government to say you don't have to allow by-elections to come before you move to a constituency for them to see development. Because obi etona to me nti and I woke up 1.2. But to Abama umfie naya ope empuntio nti no to Abama. But abana yire wo parliament nti ope baby agina yi nti no. Wo the ammunitions ne accoutrement ne sika nyina ekọ baby said e be a ubenya officer elections no. Say MPP your money emerging na 2020. Omanya in position. And omo anya omo niema bi e ma ekoba say entokwesi C constituency man omo lose seats. MPP 154 seats and now 140 seats clear. And casting of come home. And come home sir. Omanya dia cross a year as an of make a special prosecutor on issue no press. On remo already. There goes so I say nothing. Special prosecutor. Yeah, because on say a issue never buy no. John Boadu issue be a buy no. Said National Electoral Commission are taking over almost all move him. Because you see, John Boadu also free as in ho. Ti abrante no ko shia no. Allegedly yes oni no. Ohu na che. Eto shia no. Who polling station ho no. Aye, and I say oh. Hey, Kwame. Yaw. You know what che? Let to say oh, blah, 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 blah. And the education one. Oh, be our electoral officer. Oh, police station. Who go see no house say J. Ayaw. But the cost. Never what the best say. I know there. I know there. Me no more arguing. Who not talk? Who knows better should have known better. Say. One an electoral officer. Our police station. Your money is no. That was absolutely wrong on the part of a former general secretary. I will conduct elections. You have won almost 2 elections for MPP.
Last year we've been told that. Boakye to when some who nacha. Number Kosia Boakye. Also I'm not about. Not traffic at it. No. Now Boakye say yaw. Mr. Ko, who con grind? Over baby on next week, Miss Name one yet. No, Jama Boakye call. Traffic in the Bechama, Ben or Mabama, say. May you in the traffic go what no way, different scenario. We difference in him. No, difference say, Yahweh. At that point, it's a national exercise. It is not allowed, say. Ube Mexico. I don't know how fast I'm by. Vote by. No. And I will buy you just any other. It's an electoral officer. Who are quite a body be any Abano, a buy or Kinka and a Bibroso. I know the BC MPP DNM, not because NDC. Only had 2020. A same man time where it's me white. Any aquano white or white number one. And half. Or this seat or white and no, you. And I do maybe not your mama. The picture, no, yet telling the say, I catch up so Monto, Asioma, Nanado. Who are Ghana? How you saw all this? It's Adamo now, can be Urash. But I could where there a Jacobu Asem no. Boy, no, could see you and Pino. Oh, yes, Uncle Siwa. Now, this morning, police officer, no, yes, station officer, or Honomono, say Ashanti Regional Police Commander ATR, they should transfer him and, if possible, interdict him. So I got DC as some fan obey. DC, Mochi boy, no, Jinaho. The fact that I dissect chairman, why no, I am more Juma, more ye. It's Mokotna DC office, say boy no, and me patch also say.
Say be I know ye arbitration.
I will tell you Debbie.
It's part of law.
Boy na opt for arbitration na.
He has
not. MP na opt for arbitration. Boy no on the lawyers. Yes. And you inform them say ebia ne MPC enye ebia yes. On the lawyers say okay, yenti ase mo fa case no court. They inform me MP ne lawyer say boy ne say wo arbitration say then na wo pe no. On pre so. Now go to DC office. Yes. Say achina to sell so you have a say eh on see one pin in the ya on see you know. Non claim damages. Akota enema se na asante ka na enema fa so ema by election ba enye bebrebe. Ejade na wo gina be boy no so utie ni tape na e born Saturday no repeating no radio we so a o say obompa se by election e be ba Jakobu na mpuntu aba.
Tebia MP betima resign.
Yes.
Ana bia
obetima a defective from MPP to NDC.
Obetim so wu.
Yes. But one can say who so the source say yeah bomba is MP. Yes, and KP wo case
1/4. Ana
1/4 so say.
It will be general so say. It won't to me nyina ba ko peso ah mfi na no ama say. Mo say invite no.
Okoye so mo na say.
Yes, mo the national cells. Mo treating as a criminal. After all that can say.
Party can also come in internally to resolve
the party no ho and o ka say odi 18 years. Mi wo kuo bi mu na say treatment amode ma me no senya wo se me wo kuo no ntimi nkama no ntum ene na ama Ghana ye ne no he should take the MP on see one MP no anye say obey o mu say sa because one say sabi be ma bia ni krom ho so ho obey o mu say sa no aka obi anu atum e wo Jakobu kro ni mu they should take the MP on boy no take MP no on omunyi lawyer me ne hwan no ensi nchen na boy no fa issue no na papa na guna ni ma say o treating as a criminal ade bone na why
on say me kan say
ade bone na why
you na akofo asem we nyina ba o asem
asem kani so twa so a
asem na koda wa akonya ni asem na asem kun ni intimidation bia wo de ba hui
na police ni na oti atem ni mu ye de
yes no kwese what ho ye de
wo wadana buzu apani wa Jakobu sa police ni we wadana case bia no no ma ba obetimi aye wadana buzu apani
I have to say police for the obu cha fe na
wadana buzu apani wa Jakobu nana nkoso hene nana Sompa hene we assemble obede waka sabri a uti DC office DC na DC wasem ne ba wo ba mu sei.
Oh, sir. Yeah, but penny will fear out to me so fair.
Akota be a call police station no. Boy ne say on penny. Ne be a DC wabem so basi bra. We party asem. Now we betra be catch say your be ma me bail me friend crab ba mo say mon penny a. Asem what take a certain entrenched position be on the issue. Yes. Ebi kra mo ma sa mo council of elder now be sign the ma boy ne be mu a. Oye penny konya be mu a ne be kasa say me na me be sign ma o me srew ye ntwa so ha ya na de asem mfa na asem nko. Ba mo na na mo nim na mo pe. Yes.
Wa ma ono so lawyer ama.
Ono so lawyer ama. O so won pa che o.
O so won pa.
Eye chow panti anka ne asem na de na mo amfre na anka nche ne say asem na wo kan no kopa mpi a chow enye se bia ye chow nye se bia de wo kwa cells na de no kwa cells wie emo okopa obi ma ne be ma ne bill etwa sika to no tiri so say ye ready pa ne ye hu na 500 million na da form.
All right, that was Yabohama for you. Yaw akwaba
Omanhene me Joseph
yaw fo kwa o asante so de yaw
da bi one yaw abefra yimu keke
bye. Just Santi bye. In Yawa, Yaw ne di Yawa. Mamintio.
Medase, TFO, the Ekike, ebi esre, ebi awere ho, ebi so anybody power. Na Nina Ekowi Assemba ko say, Uni Yahodra. The Ekike is Uni Yahodra. O Denya Obesoriano Pania say, what film. Yes, and running in the wo.
And running
no, you may know Jina. Yeah, and when you may want to know Jina, you make I say, if you am a Timu, ewo, a high Quarasu Statiana, or Omanhene, Anopa, me sorry bar program. Me sorry bar program na mi kofi, and if a baby ne wo, if you are twice way, na day, yes, oh. Brana ni no wahala no na dwekura na wotia enum Coca-Cola so no honam ye na ibi na onum Coca-Cola na me kura me say no onum Coca-Cola na dwe sa de ode ye den yes oh wa free mu me say sa enu nti no sa bi pepepe wopom dere mani hiam na we na ye come for future life e de ama wo future life e ye aduane e ye natural food supplement Mr. Otieni future life a natural food supplement enunti wo yare wo nyare wo da duro so wo na duro so esese wo die e ye aduane e na wo die
yeah mami ni nkomomra hello
okay. Hello
yes me ni aba na to say
na me adumo na so
ai wo so call future life ya Bolivia na ne ekoso abra bom na ye ni je nkwa me ntie wa no pay
ai na me student to school me wo na me na sia tatai
hey
na me basa na me ni subru me bitime twahwe nyina nti ye ma me exet ma me be fie na ya de me call so mo ka che me say mo fa me nkoji ti ye kwahwe me mu ye bibia na mo ka che me say me nya kibile ti me ma me adam fu bi ono su wo bi ye kwani hokwasa na ma me ka me problem so no so enkophobia by from future life ono kwa ho hospital o fra bo train by Omoni and come to the babuan, or no, ready before 6 months. Me na say at that time in our church. See, the cleaning because you're who's staying in us, but nearby. Nearby, a mama made you and mama and tea. And I'm going to mean, I think it's in Kitty my mindy. And I jammed the course school. Into me didn't a character, son, and I'm a at Toby, nor the Amanica and Makwaji. It's about 6 months time, no. And I met two me read them say my okay. I'm not anything now, no million. My okay. Into your mouth, quite bad fear. Me buy na misako, Jean, I'm sako check here. 6 months time, me call you, I'm check. I'm supposed to be beer.
Wow.
The kidney, no. A day you say, I ain't getting to do honor.
Ninala. They say there was our school where you fit.
The Saturday Mary school, me a fit part person.
They said their future life from the Omanhene Yaw.
David. So say crowd must have a to lose weight and person reduce weight to kakra.
Say, over also to kakra unya good shape. Hey. Unya easy. There some now catch obi a uti wa no pay.
Come and dia manipa bebre, yes of say. Ono so ne home fa no. Ono so kidney ni bisa. Ono so ya to bi ama no 6 months ni. So say what me dey gina puppet April chika makama.
Wow.
Future life for there. Baby no have me gina me in the future life for more than because I
Joe.
And your future life I be kan kasa me pon ka me mpia.
Anti ase, mama fa usi amini aba.
Yeah. Omanhene say utia. Ete so oba no a Yesu koto na subura no ho no. John chapter 4 no. Won so okokuru won se momra mahwe. Be me bia me hu no. Waka dia ma yinyi na. Mami, wo kan ikora minim no. Minim no. So ye kokko so ye den. Na eno na utia na wo say na future life no kwa ye den. A natural food supplement that contains 23 vitamins and minerals, 19 amino acids, selenium, modular, inulin, dietary fiber, omega 3, and into the ayubia. We hear some
man call with them.
Yes, selenium.
I touch man.
Yeah.
A commander who day man is sure back
because that's all by area. Natural say vitamins and minerals. One lucky. Yes.
Wash it.
And and I'm out yari.
Kidney knees,
Sa pepe. And they say, Ubedi, I'm not him. Me say, O man in future life, no. Me met my catcher say over 10 years. 10 years ago. Me dear. Me the men can't lost me yare. If you say, me di future life, na baby a baby kurum hebiano. Me di bi ansa, ewo. Me ko na me tina say, Juada, Ebenada, Ukuada, Yawada, ne me di, ne me who said the city here, Mr. Kai. We dey aduane we be kɔ na menu ya na mo bre ye huna mane especially ye ne ye free kurase dey ye ne ye free kurase dey I na hu he life tonic pa life tonic pa life tonic
unim say unom life tonic cha ho
yeah
age o
yeah
dey ba ko esa ye ne say atwi wo fie no
esa yeah obi ehu a
enti obi ehu a na wo ka wo age a
onyini
masa oboa
oboa
life tonic
yeah I mean him me nim ansa na eba krom ha no se me nim ya ye ho research sa me ka se ye call meeting bi wa Accra na nipa ne ye nam so mesa akọ no sa wo fini na ba nam so Kumase me drive boy ɛno nti meeting no wotwere wo din ne wo date of birth wo me date of birth no no say one hour drive we na me say aden say na me ntimi nko aburi o aburi eastern region ha wontimi mfra kra nko dabi wose dabi me na se nyina taatai na me say what no hwemfie no no de compare ne dia na me no difference no eso wuti ababa we ya kidney issues me no obi ka me say wo da dialysis so ayana every empese abobo ba yade bi edene nanso me mo kun say enipa wo future life mu no wontimi nka say obedi future life no ayare ya twere gu ho say car accident say obenya kan kwanchia pa de a ewo de obewu na agi say mfie nyankopon de ma wo no e wo Genesis chapter 6 onyankopon ma ye mfie wo hadu no ene de asofo opirichi na ye ma ye 70 ehia fa na ye twere bible no say obenya 70
120
anunti the future life aduane a airboard da che ho ban ye nua bai minim no ko school is say nka na maame wasie ne bai de edi kan wahwe akura ya sa de na ko school afeya ya obetwere nso hwe yesen kidi nti wawu
obetena fi wantima ntwere nso hwe na wo soso no
ne ko dialysis wontuma na wo ton na afei wo fa ha na bia nse so ko sika kora na wo kostre me say Omanhene papa bi ba me ho na otikam ontimi nsi fom bisane ko hwe no na me hwe no ye keka no papa ne say wo fa ya o nye say na metie o na no si ya no osu wo se nye say na metie say me ni ka pre my sick nyina sa me say papa no bonani no osu me say papa nya hwe enema no de obetima tuya ne tuya de aka me de be chewo eni pankwa ho hia na me say Yesu kura ne nkwa ho asem no woka enkwa ho asem ti menkwa hia menkwa pa hia enye aduane bi na atete egu yam saa o me say se ne ye tu yesika wa ha pese wo te future life ho asem na odi bia no susu num nro na me say enura ye nyira ye nim say fake ones pa ne namu me nka we nkyira wo say me be twa tro ha ye nyira ye nim say fake ones pa ene namu me hunu bi na me kyira wo say didi yie na aduane wo di e beboa wo e ye future e ye life na me say wo ba wo de to life tonic ne ka ho life tonic ne to ho toka ho me say me metima soe sa wo fi sa anyew be ju sika ne ko if say ye nim de ye ka yare ekuyan yare ya ye ni sika me nua ne wa kurase me ye wo me kurase etete me kurase enyini wa kurase eko school wa kurase enu ntimi nim de me ka me srawo the future life ne beboa wo what they was say ono wo kidney obi wo infection obi wo pressure obi wo sichire ne eboba FDA mpeno nanso me wo huru say akwa de woni bibia akoro no ba yire to ahye sa aben aduane no eye aduane papa na me kamfo de ama wo me say tie na to aduane wo de wonu nnuro na che an da no ho kakra na fa ko aduane na mmoa infections ahodo e hankrai infections ahodo ma mi ba mo no a infections e ha ne ba no okosgu obi a na aba na me say hwe ma yere ho no nsam nko a mema no so nsam nko a na me ka amoate ase se aduane e beboa wo e your future e your life ya tropitu o memu ba bia enu titie ni yi na wo kwa wo to aduane na to life tonic ka ho mesra to life tonic ka ho fi se life tonic ne de ya de bi a cha wo ho chronic a cha e wo ho sa wonno mo a ese tu ase na ekro enne beboa wo e bo da che ho ban se na be ya wo nyare ne sika kakra opa go di nyere hwe ho yade ene san wontima mfa ni gie ansoma urade na emum no fa ni gie ene soma urade ene ye kan for future life de ama wo egu ahodo ti se okọ ne ma o kan de ayewo a na ye de ho aduane e de ama wo
okay
ye wo so for line alignment your number si nie 0242 87
80
90 0242 87 80 90 answer na number for osa hodo e hayen osa brane mu aduane ni 0246 01 another 01 50 0246 01 another 01 50 future life ya aduane yankasa ye wo so for life alignment shia yan kwasi adanko an ye ma adwade kosi memeda ye wo hokopem anwumre no nsia 8 o'clock ekopem anwumre no nsia wo hu hia yan tebra awrade nshi
Behind me stop here.
No phone is saying.
No phone is saying. Uti. Our my chair na minche tie for ni ahwefo nyina. Na His Excellency the President Nana Dankwa Akufo-Addo, Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia, Ministers of State and MP's name. Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia is hitting town. Yeah, I think on Thursday. On Wednesday evening. Wednesday also. Okay.
Thursday morning or Senate province.
That's correct. Sana. And you know, meche obi bia ne party money na. No kwa ne nyame anim. Ene money bi ho aye ka mum yen na ye hwe ne as a country. Ne timi nya. Unim say, we are judge, we run a commentary. Unim say, we are judge, you don't run commentary. Adea wo ya ne say, obebo modern say, no kra a wo mu no na obeka. Adenti no ko bi na no kra ka bi. The first place no adea na work akra no. Platform no ojina ho no. It's about obi fufuro Atamels. Atamels once them 10 years. And the baby obeka bi I think 10 and minimum okay
11 years.
What has here?
So 2012.
Me that's it. And you know adea bia obeka bi na was say ABB for the man. Now there's a question about appear there.
That's okay for the man. So Odanasi send original painting on LGBTQ stance.
LGBTQ. Obi anu awaji atum kruma. Nkofo no ye wo kwase yasafo. Na nim kwadwo besia. O jane baby a wo ye na ade. Wo beka ya wa ye fo. Ona na wote. Enti sa ne ma no nya de foforo. Ye ne ye pagya no. Ye ne ye keka ho asem mama nkofo bi akodi hu ska. What I say? Enti san kanya issue kra wo say babord so say adwene ho. Ade ye call Parliamentary, President Adekoye. The President of Biancoy.
Private member bill.
Yes. Some
George.
Some George and then crop one out to be no medical. And a Parliament and so the baby because it's immediate to me discussion. And to start with, no President for be Bianco Parliament say, yeah, but DB to man, I say, young gentleman. I idea a private member on the choir side, no. And I deal with a bag and I say, no. Oh, free a bosom fear. Ade koko kansa kopie ayi Buddhist ne Hare Krishna for ne ade wo Ghana nyina obi ase nya ade ya adepa ana obi aso ni wa bie na no aka se eye adepa enti sa de we sei wo gina so na so obi de kodi ntro ade tre asemfo se na na do pese oyi Jesse question se be ya wodi tumutumu be ba na nya kohwi na nipa ne di anya propaganda na nipa no koyeye na wo ko kansa asem we sei nyina wo ho wie na was the Baba to say just question no abandon person yi ni free one or dey sade we ba na the same time no yes we criminal case ho most case no nye case and I be jano onkodam china mama kwa wanti onya mu na ono mu china na zina ton so de number bi o mu person mu ya no mu yi aban for just question court na do for just question court bia o me problem cheme amna na wo gana ha no na che say ansa na obetu anamo se obese obeba be contest ya me ato so aba na oba be ye omrahye bedwane no e wo se utimi ye den utimi aswe affidavit
article 94
exactly what's affidavit na affidavit no so na che se woni aban na ade asie a wo kodi nsia ade sanse na wodie no ade ama aban se ade wo ye ameka na se ade ama commission ne se ade wo ye ameye no maye anasa mi jame na so e kasa ade wo ye no kre anasa nye no kre. There's a question in time of what failing the forms in Yano. When you say, Onya renunciation, no. What do you quote him now? Ya, not just a winya, and no my winya. Not just a winya. What do you then quote him? Then Bahameka be said, Papa be also an any Rejaya was seeking divorce. Now Papa could do to divorce in so court in young grantee. Or by the hope you were trying. Was my job was winyame. Because as at that time, no court name for to me be a mouth. It's in the consent called Cochrane or contest in the first place. Oni pakoya be yes come say Adea Akye. Obi na chikra no yes wo about 2012 oba ye no anya juma 2016 anya juma na 2020 and if 2012 no koka 2016 no na wo ye dan ya want me answer say de na want me anya ekoko ye say kra forgery ukoye ya wo de akoje passport ni nyina ho nkrata aba ata say eye pedri enema we nyina tia wo and this for no so di wachi na yodom ozo nim say asem a wo mu di ye wo no enye papa criminal case ejina wo so a anya de a wo be fa ho die enti no sa case we nyina wo na mo se anya hwea esi den na do man be ka say e file no le prosecute no le prosecute no be file na oni case bi o.
Now you are no more interested in the
apart
case.
From say we interested who nim say we need any substantive I find say evidence to back your claim. And then be obviously no le prosecute.
No, but it's dependent on the Attorney General to decide.
That is exactly what I'm saying.
ABC, we did not have enough witness. We don't have any.
Exactly. se sense wo more onye yen emra no wo more anya MPP mamunyi MPP as the attorney general no nim say o case
appointed by the president.
Exactly. And we're presenting the case. We're presenting the case the atowo. Over ya wo wasema wo di gina wa wo nkofo edi wachi yodom anya hwe. Wako high court. High court is wasem nyede. Ye bu afọ. Wako appeals court. Appeals court kwa de one kasa for on krata abra kwa ne ndwuma wa. Wan fa ma. Eti case no ye den ye bu atia ya to case no akone. Akọ Supreme Court. Supreme Court is wasem nyede. Wan kasa so waje atumu.
Asa ya contest Supreme Court ko be call left.
Obeko right ko bi amfa ho. Point na ne say emra no na ye adwuma. Na fi say na wo wi na ka asem we yakoto nanim a enya ntentia. Ntentia straight. Because we are judge we ni masem e be ba ho. We say ye church nsem ya na yesi o asem ye yakopie do ma hina anim o ni asem no maye. Na ye mfa Ghana mra na nya adwuma. Obebu ntentia omfa nya adwuma because already no wa prejudge no ho. Sa kwa no munya na adan ya yesi ni papa no. Na sa ne ye no. Sa ne ye no. Oman wo ba ha se ya wo ye adwuma wo haye. Me gidi se wa ye adwuma kama pa. Wo de nkrata bi na ba ye man panyifo hwe so a ye gi wutumu. What swear under oath to say will be bia wo de ba ye no. Even your forms are feeling e wase ade bi abeka bia se wa gi atum. Na fe ene akoba se nkofo ko hwe nkrata mu a oman nkrata wo de ba ye nyina se fake.
Se wa nko school bia.
Wa nko school bia. Na fe nkofo start frɛ. Oh oman de ye penasem. Oh oman de nyina ne nam etumo man nko. Eti wa no mama nya adwuma ofi se adwuma fo no beti ase emra no na ye adwuma affidavit na yeso ne yenso ne kwawo me dia wa ha man e dia chemi nsam den me ye me be eni ne kutam sesi ai
o ye dia de
I mean a name change the project I mean yes me din Ismon Chei Ismon Kwasi Chei and na Ismon no ka ho enti Kwasi Chei and na we me bibia me passport me bibia
so affidavit
yes any
to prove say
yes.
No, you are
exactly. Exactly.
It is also any
animal. Okasa akwesi a wati. Yamfa nya adwuma. Kwasi che. It is the way amakosan ya me dia ko.
Be fast wedding draw so a.
Office amran bejame.
The seat of public office.
Exactly.
And perjury.
Precisely.
So you swore under oath.
That is the law. And me dia kutam you. Me kodu office wa me dia me de ko kire no no. Adina anamudi Ismon aka omesemo ene de nkrata ni.
But what about those who are also saying say as it stands now?
Yes.
Judicial is a Ghanaian. We renounce it. The time are all filing no. Now he was in the process. Now on nam kwanso it show good intent.
Intent be any.
And the law also look at the letter and the spirit.
The letter and law no. Connected to filing of
nomination
to become an MP. No, a BA himself will intend okay. But BA no,
there's nothing called good intent.
No, what do you know? Say, are you explicit?
Are you a Ghanaian?
Are you a Ghanaian?
Do you owe allegiance?
Yes, and are you a Ghanaian? And so no, as an old Boakye sign on Kratano, Boakye affidavit. Adea Akye say. Oh, you be a make crowd and media gun and maybe say, oh, the me other celebrity me call Agogo and also the Babacoma Asa. May a pure. Much media. And to call a cockle. That's what was saying right away at the quarter emranim. Na manage what to Mamma or call. Now, quiet and who's I then all cast why no ye. Then all by the catches and no intent, do intent in Yajumaha. Intent to be no yeduma has a wo boomran so and wo boomran so. I don't think I know what's yes submissive crack
criminal law they look at mens rea and actus reals.
Oh, and then
intent is also part of it.
And I make a
and the action itself and the intent to do the action.
Yes,
so there's actus reals. It is all part of it.
I don't think I'm rano say. Unipa bia yebe accused no. Or you're innocent until proven guilty.
That's right.
And number 2 no so na mrakro na ka say Ghana has say no o ka say obia ye bibia I was now prove beyond all reasonable doubt.
Yes,
and it is up to the attorney general
to
prove his case.
You to prove
exactly what I say. Man ye me no o ko French for no one so ka say akwaziti ye wi ubuka I was say akwaziti na ba betre say me wi book bia
French form
I'm French form no and Ghana hamra no there o ka say akwaziti ye wi ubuka I was say wo ka say akwana for me book no wo ba betre
on you to prove.
Yes, enti no so mu prove wie e wo court na ye prove ne se ya wo wura na se mo ka ye no ne kwan so ano na jo kwa na kwa ye wajima wo mu ye wie ne se wura wasem nye de na wo 10 na wo so twa na wo 5 no kona costa twa
ayiko
costa twa
ayiko to say MPP should look at the political side of this issue also say Jachi Kwesi, even though President General Simpie Sukraka say mo pasa mo to aba mo obi o prison
obi obewo prison na o prison adwuma ben oba ba ye ama
obi obewo prison na just obeko prison
obewo say wo kwa odi ase na wo ye obeko prison
very good
o say odi abudamu sakande dia na example say abudamu Christian candidate the same
thing it way no upon all that statement from the president the people voted massively even more than 2020 and you are equal to say why wouldn't the party MPP look at the electoral fortunes of 2024 and issue a nollie prosequi and let this issue slide and prepare yourself for because say yeah the papa tumwa can you go to a sin off and tell them again say omuntu abama
why say yentimi nko ana na medi kan ka say MPP fa papa bi anko court
what I'm saying is see I didn't tum say in the eyes of a sin off
they see eyes way they correct
they see but it is wrong
they have to improve it I was so muti as say wo mu be see ni nyina no obi yes am from so no obedam obi a wasi wo see ni say wo ko yes am from so na obedam enti men see ni sa na start ya de pa na o ya de pa ye be bodi pa the point ni you very clear say me mamra na nya dwuma
okay
ya mamra na nya dwuma exactly because already no and this for no ti wonyina almost hwe ni ho enti ade ni en hwe de amra no beka kosi next time obi nso so ye ne de no a ne de ye mfato ho ne atimi aboa ya nya ne sa na se ye be transe aka say ye fa ne say asebo be case election be call 2024 point ne say MPP call ase not no nya bi wanya hwe kra no nipa no ye first time a wonya 12,000 yazi kwesi waba contest waba to aba wadi nkunim wasen aba abenya ne 17,000 na edu a wonya 12,000 wo bebu ho abomfia hell no wanya nipa wo ho a wo mu support over 12,000 wo betime no wo madi nkomo etimejiri say issue of court no it has nothing to do with the people say mkrofo ne ba ye ne ya ka say we de ne gina court because I say not to force ye peno and na mo say mo mfa ma no there a be different case but when a criminal case a consist of perjury forgery lying under oath and this animal name ni nyina no abono na mra ne di enti wo kwose mra no na wo buso wo kwotena ba na watimi asemra enti me say wo mo mane kwaya yi say Adea emra ni du no lo
kwaba Patrick at the same bravo ye din komo mamentio do ma hene nsem a ode tudwa ene de mpanifo kafa ho ene Jachi Kwesi as I speak with you Jachi Kwesi will be sworn in today and right after that he goes to court. He is contesting on the issue of daily trial. It's in the court to be transferred decide whether or not say ombe continue with the daily trial and now say ombe chicha say near man the time or the back court. Some pundits are saying say nka MPP for some issue no prosecute kra o ma sem no extend there because we share amomo there no ne ademu sakande kro nya 3 years in court and sana court ruling mamintio
bra mamincha na mencha Sompa TV ahwefo ne etifo nyina mamincha senior Kosiche ene o production crew ne penifo mo hwe nyina mcha ndisi fo nyina brainti bra I said nothing come where I did. And Yama said, you didn't come on the man for who baby I be doing baby free. Obi didn't come say, Papa no, Yenjina, and I enjoy some nika on kind of track again. You say, Adea call so as in Norton.
Sompa FM.
Adea, so you're a politician. Because you need to sit down and reflect on it. Because, say, Obi Jessica, and Negana high tia, who chile any party. Na obi beji 200 Ghana cedis no aka kire say ewom say we do 200 Ghana cedis ama me den so me 20 awo ba me je 100 so baby
any am kan nyina anka
bro you see the issue is 200 Ghana cedis
any 100
to go and vote
they mo me je 100 but 200 na mo do so me to my 100 no
enye
I na mo fe no so
the fact is that enye 100 no di janso to aba
o di jan ejira so
no man 100 wa man hwe kran ko beto
Ba wonya 300.
Yes, but Bakono man.
Kese no tutia no.
Second Bakona man hwe kran ko beto because why na just obekwa to ama.
Ma mentie we.
Enkomo na ye di no. Yen NDC for there. Ya count to say abibi ebenya akonya bia. Asen not for ye beda o mase. Enti yeti Sompa TV so na wiase nyina hwe na asen no for hwe yi de. Asen no bibia mo bia NDC party president Mahama so ebesi NDC ni bia owo Chianka ningo eni mpotemu ho nyina breku ya damase sa ebe kwaso adamase because ma she party na munyam party aye wo opposition se bi ye je dama tu sere na mutimi she en munyam ente in the midst of all sikani nyina omutu aye bro so all depend to ho now calculate 200 Ghana cedis by the voter population of about 20,000 kra you are hooping around 35 million Ghana cedis enye sika keto na MPP fo akoto agu ono I know your election day campaign or moye. Me we are honomo. Me observe ya debi. Me busa mo say Dr. Bawumia na contest and answer chance oboku. Because at some places I saw posters of Dr. Bawumia more than the parliamentary candidate.
Somebody have said that the party went to campaign on their flag bearers rather than a sin of. Because
me raw say na Bawumia na contest na because no na Oko contest no chance opoku no ni posters less than about me dey constituency. Surprisingly, this ano me kumawu utimi hu ba me billboard kakraka giant one. Na candidate nu kura ni bi. Sa the same thing they see was you can see ba me billboard akese. Ba me posters were more than omo candidate no me ko no. And Brian as at now Charles Opoku maintain a voice bia so no ogina ba bi kasa kire delegate one who need video be so no more can stand to mami. Even at the rally I did ni chair crampono man nankasa.
Mama nankasa.
I don't think one man nankasa. One team nkasa.
Ade.
Brian. You watch unye a known politician. Man for can assess you based on your how I will see articulate issues. Na opportunity by elections. And na you watch program na you watch no. One kasa kumawu omu yi anim chair no so kasa.
Okasa pa.
Enti de na ma Chasopoku ye ni che wan kasa.
Ade onim kasa.
Brian na
da bi asma bu sabi bibu sa.
Ano onim kasa ko an kasa.
That Chasopoku sabi man just said wonye obia.
Such a big event you are as a candidate for by elections. Rally ni nyina wunti ni ye.
That was a mistake.
Brian, what any mistake?
Na den
apart from rally na say no we are astute journalists
na on kasa say
one who ni video bi na ogina ho kasa da the man simply cannot on to me kasa
he cannot communicate. I interviewed him here, he spoke.
Brian, a question that people say that's who you
me dey kasa ha interview no work
kasa some pa frɛ wa obe for talk ke bia and the talk show them ya bi rally asu o wunti ni ye rally no ya npe oho nyina akasa mpenifo oho nyina akasa they make question say they've lost the by elections. They should accept it and move on from asensem no onim say asen na nya asen not nkwa na affect you say omo yes researcher ubon say sa ade we ekoso asen not no e cut through asen ho nyina
asen central
say o ko asen not nkro ni bi so a o ko fa Canada Japan crew ni bi so ansa na wako ba ya nam village wo na ayeko no ebi mutimi ginan o ka je senke to o anke beto amamo o mutimi gina ka no senke to o anke beto amamo enti enkomo na ayeko so ho no enye only asen not o asen fo no ni say o mo na ase MPP for do o mani asu o mo so just to make their case dey ko so nyina Ghana for ye say ye mra MPP for ko tu sika twitwi dey egu nyina ne say on be so o mo tin numbers na parliament ne so because 37 no emwa o mo ento mu hwemu ano mu say asen ho ne kwan da. That is how asen people no they take it say just say na sabi ye ni mo hare. And it is not asen not nkwan say me e cut across. And it is all your MPP now you're politically sounder. You don't need Omanhene to come and tell you say drop this case. Politically it is sound. It's about trying to make us what drop the case.
And it's suicidal to continue.
Yeah, Brian. Now who continue ko we say. Atebet matna krom ha say ada sorry anopa. Next year jail Constituency. It will be very difficult.
Why?
Because of the case, you know, me a case in no. To me, it will be very difficult.
On what merit?
Right, Article 94, no. Potokasa, my main candidate. Article 94 now I confirm some way in a bar. No say a person shall not qualify to be a member of parliament if he owns allegiance to a country other than Ghana. A person shall not qualify to be a member of parliament. Wow, there's a difference between a parliamentary candidate and a member of parliament. There has to be a parliamentary candidate or name MP difference room. As at November 2020, na enkata sembro ha ewo Judicial hu nyina si because that time na certificate the federal certificate no na ba. So as at November na bibia atwa. Ya to aba no December 7th. And son of MP, Emre say a person shall not be qualified to be a member of parliament. Okay. So as at the time I hear Tony Swaba, man, I be a member of parliament. You say you told some we are. Una cry me fu. I say yes, I swear in. I say yes, you in. Time I hear Tony Swaba. Time I hear swear in. No, ni Canada ni allegiance bia. Emrano Swan can say when time I was supposed to time I have parliamentary candidate. Enti enkomo na ekoso no utna se na udie ebi nya krampa ye law student no and I ye lawyers. Who reading enkomo na you ask yourself say why are we even here?
Mami Musa asem. You are charging it for perjury. Say we didn't draw. Time I fill it form no. Na wa renounce and now renounce. The question was, are you a Ghanaian? Yes, or a Ghanaian. Do you owe allegiance to any other country apart from Ghana? No. I do not owe any allegiance. Name money Electoral Commission Kodin Komose. I'm in the process of renouncing. The Sehono who owe allegiance or not. So Bibo, a person does not qualify to be one Article 94. Se uchan throw filing of the former. Being a member of parliament, it's not one day, it's a process. You have to go through that process to become. So if in the course of the process, can they say a member of parliament in Tino and turn out Chanian to her? Compare a member of parliament.
Never. A question I say, Mammy answer. Now, Papa na can answer Mrs. Now, so assembly the papa up before say Electoral Commission by say o tender in. So do crata say if you know Britain for na Canada for na we move for me pay bi ma. Unsa da na omu delete from omu systems nyina once they received. To them you are not part. And to say omu beko now what be catch say we need allegiance bi ma. They don't even trust you again. Until once you announce it publicly and officially, you are out. The certificate is only to affirm, say, and why. And to the tomb, say, who the tomb, no more tomb say, you accept the process here, you are one. Only allegiance be able. But
the proof is the certificate.
Yes,
that will tell me you are no more.
Yeah,
whether you were deleted or not, it's immaterial.
No, it is material because it is the starting point of the whole discussion. So one found tomorrow certificate in ma.
Okay.
What I say?
Okay.
Who the tomb pa? If you know, me ya juma on Sompa. My dinner has seen the man now so has say me ya juma have you.
Makamo be at
Makamo we are seeing that say me ya juma on Sompa bi. But some regulation letter echo.
But the account one will be at
once I have announced and it has been accepted document bibia akọ system nim afa no process dem say
but you can resign and management decide say woman resign.
Say me fill form bi na busam say buy say me fill form bi na busam say who allegiance make say there be because allegiance na me say country ni one no. So far as I'm concerned I have tendered in and they don't even see me as a Canadian again. Is it
about your concern or about Gratasem?
And Gratasem no is say when you become a member of parliament that time so on your MP.
Okay. Continue.
So as I say eti enkomo na ye din that is why me on sometimes some say must we even esenke ye do hampo na be dis enkomo wi and na yakọ ho num na kromo for na kire papa no so one sensem one nkrata asem ho so oni sensem one nkrata asem ho opon sika ni bia mo ye bia ono ano mo pe no. So let's move forward as people. Say anopo ya adwale a platform kese ye tese Sompa ya say na ye da so kan
and
and I make it because so the only possible you can discuss other issues so I'm interchanger yes say contractor about site no say kata no de be gin ho me duru what say me tiem because for best 3 weeks ni me fa ho the meeting say so conductor na ba ho say we in chance no de nkanta agye ho no adom tresi a wo ba hu statu lucky obi antimi nkoye shipetin wo biom no kuro mu no eno ne project na ekoso ho no these are issues you should be discussing na man for it but because omo passing no for say we are here discussing I say not in the one na me read article one so I think say baby you drew as people no bibia kire ko mo fo a kire say papa no mo pe no at the end of the day a service to the people the eye nyina Ghana emra dey atoto oni adade nyina is to get people to represent say nipa na e wo form no over 17,000 of them actually say papa they still have confidence in him with a margin they been see what that it ends the story. You can open the politics from a different angle and you see obi or catch MPP for say even from a political angle and more so I'm not almost read there. Does it sound well to you? This is a super popular candidate. Adea Akye who call round so almost was the peace man. So you end that conversation and build on. As a country near moving on near you learn your lessons another thing say case no mo ye money obvious onum say and also boy and this pa to say papa ni case no ye betie ni da bia anase bi omo botu oku nipa krampo ye ti omo case da bia ya te Ghana hanko for botu oku nipa omo case tin fa na boso me mensa boso me nan obi kura I repu obi best assessment ni emfre case no na case we ya you say da bia and oba court ade che omla o yes ah okogina wona so okasa attracting nipa who say papa etanhunu na dia so some of the things they did make our campaign easier because we jina na wo kan esisi so say one say uba areas what be that say ye di asem wo court yes the bia nipa ne mra omo muku nipa kro omo do say there be the man's no wonsi now it is penetrating it is penetrating what I say so MPP for no should learn from it me yako okumawu no even though we appreciated our vote I saw a lot of mishaps as a party we need to quickly organize. I note I think they should be looking at those things. Now, this continuous fight of the situation in the end, I agree with Omanhene Dito. Because this continuous fight of the situation it makes the MPP unpopular on the Asin belt, not only Asin North. They can go and do research. Me mom free education. Research say this issue is only affecting Asin North, Asin Central, Asin South, all of them, the few parts. Until they should end this conversation. Now you're moving on as a country. That is where Omanhene is coming. The man is only calling for calm. He's only calling for Ghana to move forward from this.
Ghana move forward. Ebe move forward in so. What year when we draw and a case no crack and now I don't know as someone you didn't tell Mama won't pay. Why? I never run away from your own shadow. Oh, Johnny one casa soon. How? So what will do some what's some more debt? Braniani some man free quarter house I will say I don't know where any debia. Men will case Panama more than a judge, you know, me salute you know. Oh, didn't tell Mammy Namen court. Now what's some more debt? What was the other near debia? Ghana for the near then yepe obi case koda ho na nya 3 years o de wasam kokota chedodo obi case koda ho na nya be 2 months ana asam ba ko pe ya tra ho sa na me wonya judge o pe o mu pe se ya expedited action na asam we ya aye albatross wo amayi mu ano ye yitu ho no wo ni pa ko na asan ko sa na mudi ni ntama mame na wasam da ka be ni sa wasam de pa wonim se no kura na wo ka e ka be ka sa asam we me dey ya no mu kwai mwanwa because me pa kwazi chepa kwazi kwada asem is go nya one man mindset with yedi asem and the timing too anya timing asem bia nim answer na jesi question asem yi court no ye kwoto aba no na wo court dada na akomprenu etinya na wo beka se bia wo mu kwoto aba no wie ye na speed no na beboa wo okura wo so yesi akwa no ye kromfo wa ko wiade when your opportunity to go and serve afi be pra wo ho wara ko fa ba cho na be je ni pananim na de one day kura na de be di wasema ma wa nye no ne se wa clear wo ho no wa koto awadwuma so na we problem be na ewu anya delay na mpesa mo de ba e ka dey the kaise court asem say ya MPP ni ba ko I think go sudo ko akra area ho ba bi amo 4 years na cobra na parliament atwam wadi ni 4 years awie asa na ye rule say oh okra de no kra na ye odia e na ye de ma ye ma me ne kotena ho emfie 9 anu bi ne ye pe ye case delay of cases e wo Ghana ha ye do so obia ekokota opesan ka ye timi expedite ade no ma ho wode nsen kofo bi wo ha e bi wo land cases bi wo ha e wo kota wo benya anka na kra ya kan wi enso adi be se emfie num emfie du 25 years court case e da so da ho the case ma wo betra dem wa be ka che say na MPP for na MPP for nya hwe owura no gidi pass ade a oye ye ne correct on si ne bu no on ka say de o ka ye no bio mo ma me mattress wo kra me da nya na num bia no mo pe kra mo ma me mattress me da ho no ma twen wo dwa wa num say na Muhammad wachi na o won ko ba bia ne ada na nko ba bia o pa che wa ye den o pa che wo no aye den ade an ko ba bia eti na an ko ba bia dia me say sesi a mu kase wo mu de to president anim onya no anya chopa na say order enti de be na me kai wo mu pacho jati kwesi no de wo na me kase onu wo betra se man kofo ye ne yodium ba point ne say onya se blaster no ne adokodon na on ta se nkofo wo mu ma ho mesa no obekwa akoshem ya won beba no wa na bia be first 1 week ni 2 weeks no o ye be ye hu bibi sra mo ho bio mama nkola we nkofo we atwetwen wo de wo kwose stadium wonim sa na asem nye de jesi kwesi na nkasa ani ndisi fo mo nim ama ye wonyini so mo nim they know it because it is a party ankatama do ma hine kan ye kam ka so na mo mfa nko de na wom hwi na mo mfa nko what is o ma bio ma no akasa Oma usade na no odene the moment omo appeal say or a friend say omo pe ne knowledge process kwa na ade no e ho pepe na mu say na hu say ma no obedam asema no ka che ma na no sankofo wei attorney general no antia se anya knowledge process kwa na ma wa me ya high court judge me catch o plain wo ko sem he knows it na nya sem pa ne enka we say na no mo ka bi say nananum ka bi sen
okay akwasi jo ho me ma me ba
owura no oye bemma se de one na mabonten ka na ndizifo no ye memma ade na namu ntum se asem ekura munye ne ntem ye kura ndizifo ye nyina obi ahun to no
okay me ma me titiawa bi mizo any 5G yesramo a drink wey ye drink aye papa obi a obenum bibia di adanse mizo no ye wo mango and ye wo mixed fruit. So your party, wedding, engagement, outdooring, funeral, any apunto bia, any jabo bia, maybe mrasi and our swagger, miso fruit drink, and no 5G, suswaka, ginseng, guarana, green tea, grapes, and grapefruit, a woman, a bois, a relaxo, it distresses you, ginseng, no my mouse, green tea, no mouse, ginseng, so, I will grow one tree, my bema to me, 0246 270 0246 270 and a 0558 106348 0558 106348 Uko Asafo Abinchia VIP car park I'm talking about Nasachi Enterprise. You will be your PNC Ventures Anomanyi taxi station charity hospital di hwanimu Mama Esther Adomnia Sumye Junction Otra Baptist University pe Bikai supermarket your sister Sewa Abawa post office Anomanyi Ena manager Daniel Ewa 21st clinic Ewa overseas Otu Asiken Rabank bank wanwaso bank papa bank a woni edidwa wodi adanse se wo ho to wo da wada obi bia sisi ne esie wadwuma koso etumpon kama oti asikan ye savings current account fixed deposit and susu account otu susu oti asikan a emre ne so ye kabo miensa ne de aba obosia tim de akoya adwuma ye ma mo frank to atimetu anamom etimi ehunu se wo so omusie sika eti ye infinite minor savings account a ebu ankwara ne dache omusuku kromu ne ade otu asikan say oh yes government worker afei salary loans so ne salary advance ni nyina wo ho kama commercial and business loans micro groups makam wabo mienu miensa mobile ne boama ye hia guarantor ye hia collateral bia si wons bia be si wa bia loans no so ni interest no so wo form say dewa ye Western Union a dofu from anone awoba e-switch, iTrans with RCB, Sahodo, mobile money transfers, Ghana Pay, MTN Momo. When you know, Fabeda Udi Asikai, your headquarters, you could fear some mampom, Edra, Sepebo Crum, Abofo, Macro, Yane Historic Adventist Hospital, do you anymore, and King Council Swami Market, Dr. Mensa, Lancer Chemist Building, your womb, 0504 842 957 0504 842 957 3A Herbal Center. You did the cold capsules, sir. 3A cold capsules, sir. I am team. What mean your free bowels, sir? I feel coconut. See, I see any easy areas were free. Open way now, per day. Coconut Hawa. 3A cold capsules about 0546 107 107. Colinac, Danny Herba, Misty, any Apidan, Ubenyabi. Canada digital satellite, yeah, the home of quality home appliances, 17 inches television up to 65. Now when you smart curved TV or Canada items so show this one here. LED TVs, outdoor blenders, microwave oven, washing machines, and home corner benina. Your tabletop fridges for hot double door. Your chest freezers are 100 to 900 liters, 2 to 3 door for all kinds of business. Air conditioners 1.5, 2.0, 2.5 horsepower. Your home theater sizes are hold like a fufu pounding machine. The old year commercial, oh yam grow from my omo. Now would you see Canada? Why would you fear? So we machine, if you dear any industrial one, I would be a kakraka, oh pamoniema, your popcorn machines are yet to be a gas, it be electric, your laptops are a dual core, a sassy a touch screen, i3, i5, i7, and they be built now pay and crying. Kokrobite Junction, Wager Old Barrier, and our traffic lights Nasia. For 0244 385136. 0244 385136. Kumasi Family Plaza, a dining room, first floor, Boss FM on Cheho. Patasi Adom House building, Depot Cheho, Kennedy Junction. 0244 385128. 0244 385128. Dimpa Natural Health, also Adea Akye Abia, na yentu peptic, gastric, deodorant, GERD, acid reflux, na H. pylori ulcer, every home. Oyam 82 wo bo eseseo wachiri ya wo ya wuti dwaw wani su brew eyese umoja so atibi udidi a enyam ye na boba wosoro ene akoma ho nsem ahodo minimu ase bibi sa ho no ka ho ko Dimpa Natural Health Clinic ye de Ghana ene amanone natural herbal products ene kabom emfidi ahodo e de be fa omu se wo se atwi frifiri omu ne ade nyina wo kwa obeda 0245 and 18434 0245 118 and a 0246 744 744 0246 744 744. Second floor wireless towers so airport roundabout what they call mensiano can he mention health insurance dynamo and I war na bibia de air cost. So Leicester Ghana Limited open se usi niema na niema sieno eya kono niema sieno and niema na niya wine te fufuo koko tuntum kalabia eni empa then said there a Yaz washing powder. I face sanitary parts no a man in India dance say papa your purple extra long wings, minty extra long wings, and my more heavy flow, your normal and light flow, Nina panty liners and so hold more. Your baby wipes are more fraud so ye the fan colato man ye motoa, Omunya napi rush, Obanya napi rush, I want to mean no besusa, Yas baby wiper, your toothbrushes, Duke, Duchess, Princess, and a monarch, Nina. Kama ye toothpaste a whitening herbal paste a sour gum no yare man ye dim I'll see kama for 0501 390337 0501 390337 and a 0501 390338 na obehu yen e wo hemfa adum ohuya wo duma two first statue no nchen honoma edum shanson otum first statue no nchen honoma Arilac baby foods Joywind Company Limited Diaba mami obano to Joywind Company Arilac baby food mano on who be din or dawa sorry akama akola bi honoma untumi na nwumre o house na mami no so ya no pa we a career woman na wa bre okofa na nia e kan so oi Adea Assembly may come from our rice with milk, rice with banana, milk for 4 months babies plus, wheat semolina honey, 7 cereals fruits, rice with vegetables, cereals, 7 cereals with milk. Your bottle foods or rice pudding, egg custard, and a creamy porridge 4 months plus. Freya 0244 717082 if you want bulk purchase. 0244 7170 782 0244 717082 and 0501 150 912. Oko supermarket bia also share Arela baby food. Dr. Amuzu, the Penise doctor, the Heba gynecologist, here Tafu Club 600. Uko PM Moro Market in Che Hodoma, Dr. Amuzu Hodewo. Ultrasound scan, ultra modern laboratory. Ye befi show munya na kwantim ponwa e na Dr. Amuzu ayi ni tia ode ye adwuma bema de ungu ye ni se obema wu wo bema na atofo mu weak erection oba no timi ye de obeye bia so ade mpagya ni mu o kopa ni so epagya ni mu akọ ya obu akọ no oba ni the course of it na ade adwo na ba bia be wo wato no ho odofo timi bema de osipia osita ugina ho no aye brane na odofo akasa miwura na wawura kama ama na ni achi intimi kamfo ama wo se usisi na ya no ntimi mu atopo sanso so na prostate disorders ebetima ma ntimi nkokwa so oba no ne na tenfie nanfie num awo ma ko check your sperm ebia na low sperm count, sexually transmitted diseases and your how bebre ba bema wakote wan se rubber ye typhoid fever amo ni nyina unam pedua nyina ye basase abodua kan hokọ oyam na etutu ono koko no arthritis onase na ewo hunu wonom pemu hunu amane no Dr. Amuzu so otwem e wotafo nhyae so enkan Achimota Christian Village ye ne Pima filling station ni wen so nyane ye wo area 3 0247 77 6743 0247 776743. Dr. Amuzu, Mauji Hiachalo. Your destination travel services are reaching safely is assured. Open visit to Quine. Yebeboao. Open consultation about business visa. Yebeboao. Abusiani person obu to Quine. Now omoko holidays. Yebeboao. One crown now person woko. Afe hotel no bookings baby amobeda. Afe da plane ni betu confirmation of etiquette no. Yebeboa e the amount. Afe holiday package. Yedima students are omoko. Bekai time I work at university. Your mark one vacation. Near call London, near Kobo International Superman. Now call home. Right, the Oba now I have hey bugger. That's a man that about. I guys about. Vim parley the film.
Also, I just
but he had the film and them. You could security, international security power. Baba no ma bomb white na staff bomb. Hanem could touch another. Now me
now security or you can. Who grab a heavy?
I have now when you ski to you can.
Oh yeah,
I do maybe so I copy pie. Omo you be hotels no.
Okay.
What are you no stairs no? Are you good? The amount you black be.
Nowadays
now policy. And no 3 hours. We are not your pass show. Ye gala.
So people how, right?
Oh, that's menial jobs now.
Yeah, like
how student to my crime we are. Now we call a Juman na bu copy baby grade. But I'm not telling you baby yet.
Oh, not
a Jumamuni bebre.
Because I short time working. Maybe
1 hour, 3 hours.
How maybe 200 city, 100 city,
100 city now. Ajina.
That system they say.
I was economy the page understand. Your destination do be cost student. Now what me akono akobo adwuma no nya kakra be tia office. We nyina no ye ma abroad we nya cha sokore mampon. Rural bank na ye ndi hwe ni mu pe. We auxiliary nurse and doctor, nurse, teacher. Obe so ko siade wa amanone akoye adwuma with work permit. Na ye nsese na ma Canada or Europe or Asia ni Australia. For 0257 298 0257 298 and a 0206 74 8767 0206 748767. Samens, yes, again. Bema the OCPC type wow again. Again, ye day. Semens vital herbal mixture. Yadi abedwa so eboa mema pa. Low libido ebe free ho sisi yadi ebe free ho. E mani mema nyina amanya mfie di nwotwe ko monom papa bo na ba me abo anwumre mo da ho asem di amfuri ani. Bubu dambali sinani na ni gie kwa. Asa. Ontimi ama wo yire wan pia ne yire wan puma ne ya me ka kyerɛw. Ani gie ni fie. Anopa na me kasa me wi am di tua to se mema ne bi suso na me sisi am ya me honam ya sa ante oba no be muramura ho siesie wo ho ye abra wo nom Semens vital herbal mixture na akopie Semens herbal clinic sa wo ho asem say mojabroso say yesikyire yade say ye ulcer eyem kro eyese me dwonso a emaye be prostate ayekese fakodan wo mo number no ye 0240 616061 0240-616061 and 0279 356 570. As Corman Paul Robert any anymore. Joe Appel Electricals Enterprise. Joe Appel a honor near to signal cables, cable wires, papa, copper wires. When you drew a doom. Also we hear Japan House, MTN PZ branch no. You didn't do anymore. And now me pay RCC taxi station. Joe Appel near electricity no get leg. It be Joe Appel cables where they carry am go. If you know by quality, I can tell you, you go burn your house. Now if you burn your house, your property now go like that. Oh, hey, Joe Appel, who could do on ma? We electrician, papa. You toy cables. Obibia also electrician. Obey with Juma. First also besides Uko Joe Appel. So one can basa manim fan kono enko sano. You 2.5 meters you to me the connected air conditioner and yes here a heat resistant wires Ghana Standard Authority Adea Tumu. Bomani Neko Joe Appel 0246 905898 0246 905898 and a 0543 934550 0543 934550. Mamibra ahonomo mami musa asem we. Electoral Commission say manipulation of results. Okay. You have 5 minutes to deal with this for me. Eyemo ena mo ye no polling station. Na enye omo. When it comes to elections, don't come to them. Omakabone.
Well, sir, consistent area about our commission person or the 2 nipa trimu say about the commission need to me be odi wi abem no mboa.
Hey. About your commission beti me wi abem.
Yes.
How?
Uni ha na kumawu. Aba ye nyanto ye omo man kofo sensan to.
Wa man sensan.
Oh, kumawu case ya. Omo an oko sensan to ho. Yoko event ye executives ni bi ko ekopio so a EC official no crampo was inducted. Kumawu ya oba elections ye. Aba na ye nyanto ye no. Se one train no agent here omutime de ma omo enti se de mana no asensan atonte wi anọ se edifiga na hyehye kuma wu ba election ebisi enti se EC person no to no ofese owie ma easy
you train your polling agent well said the beya yenwia
enti men kasa nipa no ntimi wiem e na me tro
no man e kwa be down ho
a so o tro 100 na de 0 kan anya
1000
why na tro e wo data no so nya easy for no enti se easy ni na ono to ho na o tro no so uyi wani na wa anya vegina no de 0 kan ho enya 1000 ede be nkomo no mu din se easy don timi nwi abam easy timi nwi abam se nipa na ono na enter data no into the system ma system na apeke no yes but
you are part of it.
Yes nipa na ono enter data no timi nwi am why na ebetuma wiem unim se ye kan ya ho na se nipa na kan na louder so obenya ka chen so onyai oye no 1 2 3 2012 na me pulling legend Santasi MA school na Adea san so na omo kan you can imagine Santasi na kromo for na betwa ho ehia na ho heated and a small boy me na me NDC agent
na otahodi
pressure pa police ni be ne ba oba bi apa bi to kra na edua bi kuta no ote ekiro e ba se ye bo wa se e be se abo ho no na ba se yi isi ayi ne ka oduru 17 18 ho no Chrome of Okana Chrome of Phone in Ajuso. Tanaka na mika yo. Oka 17 no mo 17. Afi mu ya ne se oka 17 no. Oka 13 no. Obeka 14 no ohafo na ka 18 na akwaniti 18. And I'm say, I'm say, akwa we bobu no. Aya sam gito. Afi ni pani gina no mo si afi na ye se o mo sa to o mo ye se masa sa sha se biem. Oduru ho no masa ye biem.
And JB 20 no maka 32.
33 30 akwano to pressure one to because when nipa charge you go on na.
No so twa so 30. I said yes I see you know official onim na dwuma.
And that's onim na dwuma o. We onim joye. And when your environment is supporting no.
Oh okay.
And say wo easier or person wo wiem ma party bi na environment na wo no party for
you.
Easy so be wiem. Etu oduru 23 no ajampo ko bia 20 na omo na so age so 29 wo agent no kasa David 24 mo masa wo ye be hwe osumo so enye ade a ye ka ne trust ntima isi bia me jump penti picture bi ase opeso ye no te say aba no ontimi nwiem na aba no elections are won at the polling station it is san komo no munjai omo kan che ye say omo ko for training papa omo ntete papa enti enema bia yesusu say ombetuma ye omo nye so mo di san komo na ye be jatum but to come and paint a picture say is intimi nwi aba mu de anya no kra uni ha na 2012 petition you know 27
2013 petition
why na
27
why na enter sa 27
is electoral commission
exactly
returning officers
say ekwo gensi wo bia enkwo gensi no enti awoto commission say mu tie ya obi enu a na nisamo eja yempo aba no mo ana mbehwe so na emom more enough resources mo fan training nipa mo fa omo no yenim se nipa mo fa omo dodo na ye achecherefo a omo ye intellectuals a se bi obi o kira de se wo kira de a omre etimu mo training na mo bedi nkomo se ya inse se obeka kira se na parties ni na wi abam na e de ntimi nwi abam no fansem bi bra na beka kira se ya kira ye nkofo ya ma omo training entete ye de ma omo no ye wo gidie se omo nye nema bi a mo de mo adwene bu but so we catch him about electoral commission timi nwa ba mu de nya no kre e wo Ghana ha owiam a eyeye ana ye ni ya na election ya call 2020 ye wie ye bra asem e fida da mu me no wan discuss wo ho no election results ni change by 3-4 times ye fi see e ba Ghana ye ni fi adi won see ato aba wi ama election figure no asesa by 3 times da e de be ne course so ama figure ne te san sa wo ga se nya Ghana ha ne ye do ye ho na ye mpe basa kro bi so anka omko ye nkoma wi eti awoto commission I am repeating this statement instead of you to come and tell us say political parties omonya vigilant and now wuntimi nwa ba mu tell us rather assure us give us assurance na my evidence of training quality training na other man will call for that those errors will not be committed that is the angle me I want to communicate and na mpesa me tifi awoto commission san komo na mpesa me ni omudi nya so omuntimi ko nwa mu de bisi unko election da on so kwa election na easy no or when a candidate a woman candidate no aye ahead of more mutuna won nyina enuti na MPP primacy no aye no because there's a picture painting said there's a system candidate and in politics whenever there's a system candidate who ye den as a candidate ni be wini and no wini
MPP system candidate
ba me
I don't match the system be good man
omo run ba me campaign the party system na consulting chairman consulting secretary regional chairman so they're using the whole party hierarchy running Baumia's campaign. It's a system candidate.
Did you do that for your mama? Your mama.
The mama launching the campaign. The mama launching the campaign.
Was a system candidate. System candidate. Your mama, everybody, regional chairman, constituency, women organized, everybody. There's
a difference between you.
I'm a lovely candidate.
That's one say no there. Yeah, the ones no say be bia ye. Oh no. Obi a ono akoto aba mo so anya 98%. Ono nya system candidate. Ono do nya system candidate. I am system candidate. Eh, if you see mo pa and this body. Adea ba ko a wo say we hu no say. Omo nya serious party. How? And make ba the same party na work can within some question say you wiam dade woman ka so munya hoboa for abato ana ba ade a friend collation na omunim ye
Brian wo hu no I am challenging for say by the time we free you provide as not
NDC collated and it was at 6:30. It was exactly same with the Electoral Commission.
Oh my.
Amen
kasa me say. Oduma no omunimu ye. And this is for Abia no mo be yo mo coalition no. Omo nya de papa. Mahama ono wajina wachi no.
Hello.
I say not your dead news. Ora me enko ye nim na munya sa. What I say? Ade wo no say. Mahama mo ko fa ne bae. Ba bia mo sim ya two scale gu pa wo Ghana. Aya mu election ketwa na mo ko ye no. Internal. More about 365,000 or 768,000 a friend is saying delegates. 40 cities to each person. It won't more be 40 cities. Adea Akye Abia say was spending 14.7 million. Oh, to what say? And your percentage na I say. Mahama no say wa mo be 40 cities. Gana for mun tell you. I'll be a mo say. Muniska. MPP for ko ase no to mako tuske go. Wo wuniska no. Utimi eba abontene ama obia 40 cities. 40 cities no enipa 360 something thousand. Okay, can bomu not just 14.7 million, 14 billion. And I'm spending at that
140 billion.
140 billion. And I'm spending on Najubako. One MPP want to tuske go abontene. Wo wuni bi no. Wo kremu so niska okomu a ekonomu ya dene ekonomu ya say what I say 140 billion for about 12 years na mokoko to ye no enti bi jiri say Ghana for ye nyina ye hu ba bi a obi akoto aba ani sika say a wona akwa say e de amaye mamemra election ne so owi a wawe so mo ani da ho na wo ye wo calculation ni ya obetimi ehu nsise ya wo ye abaya kwato no 2020 me kwazi che me na mete letter commission dam hobi Dr. Lawyer Adumapia example ana IT for boys no ani His Excellency Edward Boatye ana panyifo kan we free krabaya ye tra ho a kwisi se omu wie ye be 3-4 year ma ye de so ye ho. And this is for Bano. Omo papers are yellow, green, pink sheet, you know. Oma Bupon said, you made a coaching catcher.
Yes, I have a says spring roll.
Spring roll and a rubber band, boom. Omo, yes, I mess or demo. Messe, with your mamma Casamuncho. Mamma on the patron, man, how much? Oh, a demo announced Wabeka. Messe, one more laptop, and so. I don't know what would say. Oh, I said, never. Me say, me na make at you. Esi woman as well from. Oba baby, broja me say woman wo enkophobia. Na woman teacher. Woman laptop no currency table so. Difference na e clear ma you say enkofo no nye serious no. Wo be hwe MPP side no. Na hwe said their boys na set it up. Ye mfidie isi wo constituency bia de she brown envelope mu. Enti wo bo constituency no ansa na ye be kan e wo ho no kra no. Na omude I relay message number. Every constituency a shame and you check no paper by paper. And this is what they know. About half an hour, I don't want you to say they no more pro. They could not even collect their own figures. Almost to collect your more. And to make us a moncho. Easy baby moi. Maybe I win serious. Because we are no calling your name. A baby a bubo bia and a bubo free polling station. Polling station, any part of the or any part of the 300, 400, 500, 700. I don't mean check 700, no. A man in my bono and from Mawa 700, Naka constituency, what kind of bono? What is I want to mean kind 700 or polling station? The Adeba National, I bet me a kaboom. I said, don't get Yaba Treseno. I didn't bring my figures to court. Nipana mo Koya no coalition center or easy center. I wasn't quite sure about it. Was why I then, woman, tea, yaman biscuit. But also see what Kwakacha Mahama said and checking here. Send what course have you do a different. Almost serious bunch of people. Some way and cophobia. A bibia no the blame never easy. But no cranny. Who won't go forward any woman? Oh, there won't go forward yet. Party ma, I will my quarter was a trade man as somehow. What you wouldn't say? Yakwatu about 7 December. As at about 20th of November, and this is no mountain in Nipawan.
How would you?
Oh my God, meba. On the nipa meba mama mountain. Papa no contest ya no. Ofino your friends there.
Obi am che.
Oh, me pato man ya or your contest Mohammed. Your contest Mohammed Obabe and campaign manager. Attack a Legonia say
Professor Alabi.
Osi abeto na wo figures kwa yenim. Na wo betra kom ha sei. Aba be ka tell say oni bibia che.
40 Ghana.
Anya Mahama. 40 Ghana. Mama na twa ye. 40 Ghana.
Party they decide say. Filing fees na aspirant na.
Filing fees na say
45,000.
Oba.
No what 5,000 for information.
Oba. O cheche mo yin so. Okay kabo mo munya say.
You ba accompany transportation for mo ba beto aba.
It munya say.
Sa na koy.
Munya say.
So the pay in total just 13% of the scanner by any nyina.
Oba.
It is scan nya Mahama.
Aya Mahama.
By the party.
Mahama na tia ye.
So enya Mahama na tia.
Oba ma na tia. Aya say bo figure no man bio.
14.5 billion.
14.5 billion. 140 billion. Anajo ba ko. Ghana ho. Omo musu hia. Say hia ni e wo Ghana 114 billion. Mo.
Odun dum ya na extra ye de kawa sembe ba.